I only have about 20 seconds left. How will you use your husband, Bill Clinton, in the administration? We assume he won't be. You know, this.
Sorry. Sorry.
I was reading in the paper yesterday, and this is what happens in these long campaigns. You get the.
Yes.
Well, you know what? I won't hold you on here any longer because you probably could use some water there.
Participation across the Asia Pacific, especially in science, technology, engineering, and math. So this scholarship program is exactly what we need, and I've been talking all day, so excuse me. So we've come a long way in a short period of time. And that is, excuse me, what economic statecraft is all about. So we want to hear from all of you about what more we can do together. And at the risk of coughing any longer, I just want to say thank you and let's get to work. Right. There must be consequences. Let's see if I get some water here. You do talk a lot in this campaign. Excuse me, just 1 second here. A lozenge. I have one. Hey, Debbie, you talk.
Well, we're starting the all-in-one campaign.
So please say yes.
Missile destroyer, a tanker. He served in Vietnam and the Persian Gulf. Excuse me.
You need some water, madam?
That you can tell us, Clara mentioned that you traveled to South Korea, which is impossible for anyone who's undocumented to do, to travel without documents, and she was able to travel recently to South Korea. And Talia mentioned that her tuition changed dramatically when she became a dreamer. And I know for the city of LA, all the people over here, and Senator De Leon, who works throughout the state, can probably comment on what it means to have comprehensive immigration reform. Maybe we can start with Clara and Talia, and Mayor and Senator, tell us what would it mean to have comprehensive immigration reform?
Represent inmates. Excuse me. Too much to say. That's been wow. Thank you, Hazel. That's been part of my mission. And representing poor people through the Legal Services Corporation. It was about making people's lives better. And it taught me that even if you're young and you don't have a powerful job, if you work at it, you stick with it, you can make a difference. You know,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're a great amen chorus. Thank you. You know, to quote Dr. King, the time is always ripe to do right, no matter who you are. And when I had the great privilege of representing New York, I worked with members of our congressional delegation.
I am proud to be campaigning in California, and I am proud to have the support of so many unions, including the United Farm Workers.
Oh, my goodness. Sorry. Okay, you had your hand up, and then I'll go over there.